I can see myself now.
Yes, sir, because you have gone live now.
Okay, I don't see any other second goal line now. I'm already seeing myself.
Because you have gone live. You have gone live.
I'm on live now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, some people have started to come in.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. You are going to edit this because all these are recorded now.
Okay, sir. I will, sir.
God bless you, brother.
Bye-bye, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Edoya wabukia o wabedene. Itwedoya fe. Edoya doniro wakebe donirishi. Wabedene wabukia o wakiuro wavia galadia. Wati Edoya tota na tore do o kedo no. Ituwa ya ve ebo wi oba vambota dade wonuwaye wakoyo e madagwa na ya nwuna na e mafuasi o emi mama se wana na oge paketu kakabo e madagwa na mari defio bi no kawe defio obodo to gbe era ayi ya ti emu emi no be na e madagwa na Aí ya tiere. Ukano. Aí ya tiere no ido ya lo di yoko wa lawa. Odi yoko wa ila lawa na. Obi ma gba o ise. Obi ma gba ya o ise. Esu weze tinsi man kodi eke ise. Beni Jesu Christi ise. Wagadi enu no sa. Why, Sadira, Sadamo, Sadorio, no why. Who does you know Yagbon Kebari, Maburo, Mabueri? Where said the Nurian man, when Urian man, Ogi Mabe, way you don't buy. They give me Kevin de Buddha. Okay, but now we I tell them do dance about the wood. I give me Kevin the Iowa in my ball. I give me Kevin the Iowa in my ball. I get a in my ball. Oh, one ogie. If I came back, I roll, no way, my shy away, and not behind your daddy. We did Jesus Christ behind your daddy. Oh, one ogie, well, until we have a Kodagmo would do any 1 year. In Magawa and I get money, get me back. And you know one man of one. Wonya do wonya imina imuna wa no mu ma ball la ge ma ni ma o tin ma di gbegbe ni ma fiangbedo ma ata ma mo go ma mo ni dia ba ya fiangbe na ya la la o da o na ya nya gbo na se e ma no ebe ni Jesus Christ no nya wa is ni za ke bogo mo ke bogo to no wa is Waya don't ye wabukia o watiani kero Ibota Edo. This is the Edo gathering to share knowledge, to share wisdom, to share history. We welcome everyone. All the people are invited today. You are welcome. I apologize that we didn't start at 1 o'clock. We were here before 1 o'clock, but this computer did not work for us. We entered as usual, but it didn't turn out fine. You know, we couldn't start. So I had to go call our technical crew, the producer, to come to my aid. So they came and used other browser, whatever they are called. That is why we are late. But we will still use 1 hour as usual. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. If you are hearing me, if you are seeing me, God bless you. I know I invited so many good people, even our friends from other countries, from Philippines and etc. God bless you for coming. And all our people, God bless you. So what we are doing now, we do it in Edo language and also in English language, so that people can understand, so that our own children can learn, so that everybody can share. I hope we are together. God bless you. Thank you. Ibota Edo. This is an evening gathering for Edo people. All right. Ibota Edo. Ibota Edo. Ogisoniye. Be igodo migodo. Oko? Ogisoniye. Be igodo migodo. Ọ na-ebota ma sụwa na ụzọ leva na mgbera ịma ihe nna na ahịa na wahịa tụta o amaga na baba ya ụta o hedu atana. Today's topic is Ogiso dynasty in Igodo. Ogiso dynasty in Igodo. By this we mean the rulership. The kings who ruled in Igodo. Igodo is the Edo country, Edo nation. Wahiyata radio, say Edo nation. Say Edo country. Say Igodo. Tap your hands. Akbobaya! In the whole of Nigeria, the whole of Africa, I mean, on brother. Took the pharaoh of Egypt. Oh, Igodo. That's our home country. The center is now called Benin City. Thanks be to God. Igodo. Ogiso dynasty. The dynasty of the kings that reigned in Igodo. We started with the first. Today we are going to go to the sixth. We did the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. The other day, now we're going to the 6, 7, 8, 9. Stay with us. Okay, so now we're starting now. Okay, so Ogiso Ebobo. Yes. Ogiso Ebobo. Ogiso Ebobo. He reigned in 414 to 432 CE, Christian era. That is Ogiso Ebobo. That's when he reigned. Look at the date of his life, of his rulership, of the Igodo. He was the 6th Ogiso of Igodo. The 6th ruler, the 6th, number 6. We already did 5. He was the 6th Ogiso of Igodo. He was very old when he was made Ogiso. Hey! So we told you the other day that the oldest man in Igodo was made the ruler because there was a confusion earlier on. So they chose to use the oldest man, who is usually a wise man, to be the ruler. So the one before this was Igido, was the oldest man. Now we come to another old man. It's Ebuabo. He was very old when he was made Ogiso. We are not told that year how old he was. But then we are told when he passed on. When he died, he was at the age of 110 years. Oh! That shows he was really, really old. See the number of years he ruled. 1414 to 1432 to 432. 414 to 432. How many years in there? 414 to 424 to, so it's about 10 plus 18. 18 years he ruled. He passed on at the age of 110. Oh, he was really, really old. Ogiso Ebobo. Ogiso Ebobo, not the Ogiso guy. Ogiso no geha. Ogiso no geha. Makati sene Ogiso no ka. Ogiso no wa oka o the Ogiso Igodo. Anado si Ogiso anado mi Ogiso Ogiso I Ogiso oye na anado mi Ogiso Oku. Ogiso Orira. Another me Ogiso Odia. Another me Ogiso Igido. Now Ogiso Ebobo. Ogiso Ebe. Ogiso Ebobo. Ogiso Ebe. Wait. Okay. Yo Ogiso no geha. Yo just wait no man. Hey. Again, nana ya Ogiso. Oh my God. Anati ojo we no man. Wakata video edo. Do what was it do? What video? Ojo we no man. The beta ojo we no man. Bamia. Ukpa 18. Varabugi oya Ogiso. Pe varabugi Ogiso. Ofiya be ukpo igbe oyanya iyisan ori to onado aho ukpo igbe oyanya iyisan 110. Oh my God. Ya fiya we kata mwaderio edi wan na de o my nagaga ni ukoko ni asi na we amoyin unu oya tan so to aya mo ile yo to wodo egbo Ogiso Ebobo yen ra si o papo bona Ogiso Ebobo what up wa pe o ariadu bona wa pe o wa mi ojo wa no ki o ma wa itu na dobo wa don wo flag di ko to na o we wa pe o we call wa to pe aya wa pe ka o wa pe wa gun Ono Ogiso no geha. Ogabe adi obi. Let's move on to the next. The next Ogiso, watch it. Ogiso Ogbede. Okay? This is a common name. Ogiso Ogbede. Look at what they read. 432 to 447 Christian era. Ogiso Ogbede. You see it? All right. It was the seventh Ogiso of what? Igodo Migodo. Seventh Ogiso of Igodo Migodo. You see it? It was from Ugbagwe quarters of Benin. Ugbagwe quarters of Benin. How many of us know Ugbagwe? It's in the center of Benin City now. Ugbagwe. When you get to that area of Benin City, you will really know that they have been there for a long time. And I get to. He was from that quarter. He was a proud king. Amen. He was a proud king. In other words, he knew who he was, and he didn't want to be belittled in anything. They called it the proud ego. Mommy, the proud ego. He passed on a day of ceremony. He passed on. He died. You say he passed on. I used the word died just now. I now remembered that we do not, in a Doi history, we don't use the word died for kings. No. I apologize. He passed on. It was in transition. He transited to eternity. He transited to eternity. On a day of ceremony. There was a ceremony that day. I don't know what ceremony it was though. But he passed on that day, the day of ceremony. You do well, put down you see how you were. Okay, Ogiso Ogbede. You know, 432 to 447. 432 to 442, that's 10. Then to 45, 15 years. 15 years he reigned as Ogiso in Igodo Migodo. Oh! He was Ogiso, Nyora Ogiso, Nogie, Ihiyan. Ogiso Nogie Ihiyan. Right? Ogiso Ogbede. Oko, obi Ugbagwe la na o. Ugbagwe ba de so edoba. Ege na Igodo Bigodo. Odoni wa ira aye. No wa ya Ugbagwe, abama Ugbagwe. Do won Ugbagwe yo boda do kun wa ya wa Ugbagwe ade se do. Ibano. Wa ni o wi ira aye. Ojo we we no. Oge no yo eyin wa kin. Oh! Oge no yo. Owa be yan bu yan oge ona gele wa oge mata. Oge no yo egba le sekeseke egba le ngerike no mo na gba. Wa yo awa be yan o areba yan oreba. Oh! Eduge e ofiya. Eduge e ofiya. Me ma oge no wa kin o so pon oge an ga do de. Edugi ofiya ki bo ipa ya gba ni ka o ira mi do wa de edugi ofiya hi edo we opo dan you see ga yo wa odi Ogiso Ogbede obobo Ogiso Ogbede. Let's go on. There's another one. The next one is Ogiso Emehe. Watch it. Ogiso Emehe. He was Ogiso from 447 to 466 Christian era. Ogiso Emehe. He was the 8th Ogiso of Igodo Migodo. The 8th Ogiso of Igodo Migodo. So he reigned for how many years? 47 to 66. 47 to 57, that's 10. 57 to 67, that's 20. 19 years. 19 years. Was the age of Ogiso. Then he was one of Edo's greatest diviners. Edo's greatest diviners. You see it? So this Ogiso was of Dongwe, but is one of Edo's greatest diviners. Who is a diviner? Who is a diviner? A diviner is somebody who has the endowment, who has the spiritual gifts of telling something that other people do not see. They play oracle, and in that oracle, they are able to interpret what other people do not know. What is behind the scene? What is the cause of this problem that people are going through? That's a diviner. It's a divine ministry. This man was one of the greatest Edo diviners. Oh! He was an oraculist. Oraculist from the Emehe quarters of Benin. Was an oraculist from the Emehe quarters of Benin. Where is the Emehe quarters of Benin? Does anybody know? Emehe quarters of Benin. I don't know it myself. Who knows the Emehe quarters of Benin? Tell us about Emehe quarters. That's where he came from. He was an oraculist. Was a young way, but he could divine. He could play oracle and tell you what is what. It's a spiritual gift that God gives to some people, not to everybody. That's Ogiso Emehe. Ogiso Emehe. Ginu podo ya nyo no ya ye Ogiso. Bokpara bugie. Bokpara bugie ya Ogiso. Ogiso Emehe. Ko? Yo Ogiso no ge Migodo. Ogiso no ge Migodo. Bogiso egbe ojon we no. Ojon we odun hu. Ogiso no ge. Usu oboredo no say eyan ga kin. Usu obo edo no say eyan ga kin. Ami obo no bu ogun ga yan kin. Ami obi o, ami obe ewawa, ami obe gwega. Usombo no say redo eyan ga kin. Do no bu. Bu o obogu na ami owu da ho. Ami obo no wu na won. Dege eko giama eko woma una wu obo na mu webe ona mo yuku ona wodu won we won eko don te we wo ni odo fure. Oni obo no wu ugban so wo ni eko ni no jagawe ni odo gbele ko ro kwa ya nena ko kwa otiku. Rebanari bieka. Go nene otiku. Edi wa no hu no gboko. Odo ma mu no mo we no mo won go mo won ogiri ane no ko ni kwa be otiku. Oko no ka me no ma hware. Do wa da ho. Na mi a wan la o da o na wo da o. Ama me no ma hwa. O si oko don re eko mu. Azam fi oko ye ko we wa me no ma hwa. E ba no ma hwa. Ubo no ma hwa na yari e ba e. Wa yari e ba e wo da pobo. Ugbo so e mi ame apobo ye ti we teta o bo we mo se. tout à nous riba yo obo we mose we mo bore we ga mo obo we mose o are mose o ma ho abi bi oko so ro de so ru hie so ratata boni e wona ya die wa e emi ni do ya odo ya fodole gbe weko odo oko no do agage moyi o agage ko yo weko gagin e ko gagin e ko agele agage e I do me man so ni wan o ya call the beso. O call the beso o do man o da man he. O sa me yo man. O sa me yo ai do sion. O sion do mo yo ku gbe sa be ri o me kere yo. E ge na de. No me kina gi awon. O mu na mo won o mo e won. Mo e won e de agba ko we ra ko. O di o ti ku ya na o ti ku na na ge na de. O ti ku na na ya na ni o ko ido la dia wo ni sa. But so okay, hi ne. It's a young. It's okay, so no more a more run. It's so young, it's a woo. It's so young, young. Yeah, well, oh, no one who come in to be in a do gay. It can then a yago, the agay of Chiku. Or a gay oko giliro, so ye uno. No do one in a one in man. Obo no ruhun owe ekele makede ore o said man do ayazi yo ma wa la o da o said man do aya gwa pagbe ekele makede ore so ba we ni ma ro e ma na ro na ma wa gi ma bu sa ro bo kan o na mo egbe dan do level 1 yi aga yi se bo 1 wo di eke obodo ukun ni o saro bo wa di etin lenu ya ukun e na gbofo eyi en ma popo na pope ovo ki gbofo o sio wa wo di eke gbe edo agbere wo de saro ba di etin no wa ni no ya ukun no ga ma ai pon saro bo yo e na gbofo eyi Emi ke no so agbade no wa ami wa na na mi no so agbade na emi ke no so agbade no wa ai agogo yo akon so agbade yo ai na gbofo yo de tin no luma de tin na agbo no na ya fie no akon so agbade yo dogun me wa no akon so agbade yo do e kina do no akon so agbade yo do e benatie no akon so agbade yo wa mi gbofo fo ai tam wa mi gbofo fo wa mu fo fo e tam wa le ni Jesu Christ do bi salo boa wa mo vo fo edo we da mi obo no wukun e ja mi obo ore ha ogwa afia o itemi no re ede emi no si eni mi so na di dago yi emi gege di dago yi obo am ogwe ga na fie o a tin ta o lele o lele wewe na no wewe no ke no lele o de gbe mo egbe o mo egbe ogo o ye gwara o bandere eta ma ba o na o ri ai o evio o na do fi ade o vio na o wo na bo vio yo bo emi na ga yu o gwa bra to e emi we di o ragmona o salogba oro salogba we ye na ya ri yo bonagbon we o dedan na ya popagbon o mu di ako salogba o no obo ogwega oga na Joanna John we na nede obo ogwega ya ga obo we yo obo ogwega ori idun emehe boy ogiso emehe obogwe ga aki oidun emehe uso bo no say ogedu eyin ga aki ada ho aya fi me were o no we bishop we the we don fi we obo do not aya fi me were iwe obo nanze usalo boari active radio no wa na gbo ogun gan no Amian Bono Wukun now one. I mean, let me a bono of you Gwega no way taming or waving, no see every video. Or Gwega no more Gwega Bay. Or you can toy. It is I don't have a tab about it. I'm having my way. I will my way so be able to be around. Come on, no, you had the lagman use Saluba begging her. No, yes, Yagmo, Saluba begging her. When you go to Yebo, or Saluba no, or this should know. I forgot. So, once Saluba not yet, you know, I come on here with me. I go for a yaw, a metana. I get a coy yaw, I get before a yaw, I get baby yaw, I get the old way by. Who die, we can you go Saluba, you man. Or you run so they ask you one way, or you attend so they are begging. Or yet in the son they are boffy webo. Or yet in the son they are ducky rokusa. Uwunga. Emayakin. No working a hooking. Upon Saloboyo. I go for you. Ugiso eme. Or boo ega no. Oswamp will not say already. Let's move on. The neck and my other we're dealing with 4 today. This is the 4th one now. Okay, so Ekpigo. This looks funny, but it's very gratifying. Okay, so Ekpigo, he reigned from 466 to 482 Christian era. He was the 9th Ogiso of Igodomigodo. The 9th, number 9 of Ogiso Igodomigodo. The ruler of Igodomigodo of the Edo nation. Ogiso Ekpigo. The 9th Ogiso of Igodomigodo. He was money lender. He was businessman. He was money lender. Before he became king, this gentleman, this old man, was a money lender. Before he became king. So he was a big, shrewd businessman, a money lender to people. So when he became king, it worked well for him. The king is the one lending money. So that people may borrow and do some business. That's a double blessing for Edo people, right? Was a money lender. He was heartless and merciless in money matters. He was heartless and merciless in money matters. He was lending money to people. After he lent money to people, they got to pay. Of course, yes. But if they don't pay, he will go after you. He will go after people who misuse his money. When he lend money to people, he is supposed to get interest back, right? But some people will not pay the interest. Some people will try to be smart. Whatever it was. So this Ogiso, Odenwe, he would not listen to any excuse. When it came to money matters, he was merciless and heartless. He would drag the individual to the greatest length. We know such a man in literature. You all remember? You all remember the Merchant of Venice? You all remember the Merchant of Venice? Remember his name? What's his name? The Merchant of Venice. So when he loaned money to people, but he expected them to pay back and to pay with interest. And when people failed to pay, he did what? Oh no, he dragged them to court so they will pay him. Nowadays, we know that this is the method of business nowadays. But in those days, people were challenging people to be kind and to be generous. You know what I mean? After they borrow money from you, they expect you to be kind and to be generous and not to get all the money back. Or even if you get the money back, they expect you to take the capital and go away and forget about the interest. Nowadays, can you do that? No. But in those days, people tried people. They tried the range of people and the patience of people, the patience of money lenders. And they expected them to let them go away with the interest. Shylock is the name of that man. Shylock was the merchant of Venice. So we have a story about that. So one time it came that the man came and he didn't want to pay. So Shylock dragged him to court. He dragged the man to court and asked the man to pay. But the man said he didn't have the money to pay. But Shylock would not listen. Shylock asked him to pay. So there was what do you call that thing? There was you business people help me out. There was a promissory note which they wrote that the man will pay what he borrowed. But if he didn't pay what he borrowed, they wrote it down that Shylock will cut a pound of flesh from anywhere he likes in the man's body. That was to put some fear so that the man will pay. Because some people were not paying properly. So Shylock now put that clause in the agreement. That if he didn't pay, Shylock will cut a pound of flesh from any part of his body. A pound of flesh could be from the buttock, could be from his arm. And the man signed it, yes. It was one of those people, those naive people who say, nothing will happen. If I don't pay, what's he going to do? What's he going to do? He said, you cut a pound of flesh. Where will you cut a pound of flesh? Better. So Shylock said, So he took the man to court. And they brought out the agreement. He told the judge, this man doesn't want to pay. And said, is there any agreement? He said, yes. He brought out the agreement. And he showed that actually the man signed that if he didn't pay what he owed, what he borrowed, he would. Shylock is will be allowed to cut a pound of flesh, 1 pound, not ounces, 1 pound of flesh from his body. So Shylock said it was his day. So this man didn't pay what he borrowed. They brought him out so that he would cut a pound of flesh. But the only thing is that there was a saving grace, and it came from the wisdom of the judge. And the judge said, Shylock, you have a right to cut a pound of flesh from this poor man. But when you cut the pound of flesh, you cannot shed blood. You're only entitled to a pound of flesh. That you can cut. But don't shed blood. You know, blood is life, right? Okay, after you cut a pound of flesh and blood is dripping and flowing, the man will die, right? He will die. So the judge said, you can cut your pound of flesh, but don't shed blood. No one drop of blood should drop on the floor. Because that is not a part of the charter. Oh! Oh! You are allowed to cut a pound of flesh, but you are not allowed to shed blood because, look at the paper. The shedding of blood is not a part of the charter. So Shylock put down his face. He couldn't cut the pound of flesh. Because there was no way he would cut the pound of flesh without shedding blood. There's a big lesson there. Even though you have right to do and undo, you got to be careful. Because you might overdo what you can do. And when you overdo what you can do, nemesis will wait. You got to be careful. We cannot use all the power that we have. The greatest man is not the man that can win a city. It's the person that can save a soul. Even though he has the power, but he will not use it. That is the strongest man. Shylock had the power and he wanted to use it. But wisdom, the wisdom of the judge told him, you can use it, but be careful not to overstep your bounds. There is always a bound for everybody. So this Ogiso, this old man, he was heartless and merciless because people they would try to be smart. They would try to borrow money from him and not pay. His name was like Money Bag. His name was like Money Bag. What is Money Bag? Ekpigo. Ekpigo is a Benin word. It means money bag. So he was acting like his name. He was Ogiso Ekpigo. Ogiso Money Bag. We like people who can work hard and make money and help people with it. But while we are doing it, we should do it in a godly manner because God owns the whole world and the fullness thereof. The world and they that dwell therein. There is a limit to the exhibition and the operation of materialism. Riches that is not geared toward God will end on earth. But riches that recognizes God will survive till eternity. And only what we do in the name of God shall last. I commend all business people, but take a lesson from here. You can be strict, you can be firm, but don't be merciless or heartless. Because every good gift cometh from above. Enegui ma o na no kicking brother. Ogiso Ekpigo. Okay. Ogiso Ekpigo. Gege no ya di Ogiso. Upe para ujo yi ran ke ba. No di Ogiso mi godo. Yo! Ogiso no gie Eye ga kin o. Ogiso no gie 9, number 9. Ogi ma mi owo ma na mi eva, na mi Ogiso no gie ha, na mi Ogiso no gie de, no gie se, na mi Ogiso no gie ha, na mi Ogiso no gie hiyon, na mi Ogiso no gie ona ye Ogiso no gie Right? Ogiso Ekpigo. Abi ti o Ekpigo wa. O pe ni na. O pe ni no yen gele yen go o wa we go alwego. Who the hell? Ogiso no gie. Ayigo gaga. Igisu na momo. Ogiso Ekpigo. Ayigo gaga no. Igisu na momo. Yeke doki ogiso yen yigo gaga ne. Obe amu no wa momo. Igisu. Wa abu no momo ya doki. Ogika ro dori ga na o we swere. Igisu da no ma igisu. Abi yima so we mu igisu ne ya doki. We do adi won tata bowo. We do o mi ebo. Igo no ya swere. Uri go na igo no momo uri ye na e. Igo na go no ya swere we di bai. Igisu. Ogiso na yen no wan ya ga akin. Yen ga amigo na bo ya momo na yen kedo ki ogiso. Mami, ebi fa yen yiki bedo. Ogiso ogie. Na be aye. Ogie no nya go no be yigo no be migo no ma momo. Ebi o pe mi no kwa ni wa akin. O so ba yo ni wedo, o yo ni fiangbedo. Hi ayigo gaga. Ayigo ku. Ayigo ge omaro. Ye wa ge o. Ayigo ku. Ayigo ge omaro. Hi. Ejo wa no. Igo the mono wa momo ni ya ku. O ya ge no wo ya mu go lu ya o ya de ere. Gege level ya. O ya de de do de igi su do ro de e ba ere. Whether ya ni go re we go we oge o digbe fun no ya swere bo ura do kwa wo de ko gbe so do mu so to do we o ba mi ese de o go ta o ge uta nda ogiso da eyi go ku eyi go wa o ege na de ma agbe mi de o we ye eri eki yen yi a de ne ko ye okeke na mana do mi ewe eri ebo ya gbe emugo no momo we do ati ebiaka bia no eri o ma no ta me na good nya we ogogo rie umo mi go wa na gwenu ya swere igo na ya swi igi su na ya swi igo ekiabe ya do de amadu eki we ge mi ni go ya momo o ma ni be dweki o na ro ahun en we na do mi momo ogiso na yen dweki ne yen ego ne yen mu na wa momo ne na sure ekedo wa ogiso to ga ogiso na do mi go ama wi ge bo do mu wa da ho edo ofene omogo na momo ne so pa o esegbenu do hasa eja ku ye eyi go ma o bedun ta ere awe odana do yi mare o kapa ore o wa pa o me go pa na te Shylock ben matie be o wiwe e Shylock ba wa te o Shylock o mu go ne wa momo na ya doki na ya bo wa na ya ona abe gbebe yo we egewe na de pe ano do pe ekwise no e pe va no o ya hasana mu go ni re obe oyi su bai o plani na te Shylock na ona wa ba we gbe mi na ogiso na wa be wu eyi go ma o do se de dario omu go no pa momo ya gbebe yo ege dan go de omu go de gbebe yo dago mai mi go mu re emi na awu ana be gbon yo fun da bo e ma na gbon na do mi ewe ma na gbon ya fie ibeleku ya mo mi go ne ya bo wa gbeso ya de imoto gbeso ya were mi kemi we ni ado hasa ya show we wo to gbeso ya do ha igo na ni amomo na we na ya swere ya do atoka na me o se agba o we ye de yan agba o ohun agba o we ede we iya agmana do miwe ibeleku eyin afi nya hori ahasa nya akwe hasa nya ha de aswere nya woti an afia o ogana na te Sherlock na o enge bana gbo yan afia o ora igben yo we o ma ko no ma asa no no momo ora o even no as no ike abe gbon bae di ebo be we edi awe wa ya mo mi go be o babaza na eti awe we no te even no ya asa do ma asa even na amu swe egene de aya fo oporu gbokoru so mani o ya ha so poru ni egene de aya gbe ewe so mani agbe so o ya ha se we ni ogo gada na te Sherlock agbebe o igbebe na we o ma ha sa ni ya fie unwa okpa ni ate pound unwa okpa be ke ni na ti mi ebe gbe ni fie ifun orunwa okpa ni fie ayo ni mu ha yo mo da ma no ga do fie ifun ikebe no o boy no we no unwa okpa ogege do asa na do fie ifun we gbi ayo ni mu ha yo upepe na do aro na do gbon mi go agbon yo be rio yen na ge kwa o ipa e na aja se kwa ti mai ha odo fi fun gba egbu e de ke odi ki ba o bi ro pasunu oge don emi sunu agbon na e janu nya mara mo se emi sunu wa ni bi ore wa mi enwa wari mienwa enu we mi we don degbe aduzala we na duza u mienwa amere mi ato amere mi ego amere mi amo amere mi wa amere mi moto amere mi keni u we mi pasunu ebi sunu gbe igo nu pedi momo ma Sherlock na we kia ona kwe ona mona chezo na chezo biku ana na mori olapa eke no ri ayo lapa miemo gele be na mi olapa gbon dia mi lapa yin edo wada ho be na mi olapa agbon dia mi lapa yin e ba so mu hun lapa agbon eyan ma ro lapa yin ro ya we police mi o lapa o we de kire police o we gbe police o age o setting gbe police na ti o lapa yin o setting wa ma wan a fe ko o lapa yin e ga mu wa o yes o lapa yin e ga mu ma o yes Kwani maasa Sherlock na mu adiko o mo siko na wo ma atibeni age ina agbon ni awo maasa ado fin fun ohun apa ona wo ba do fian ona de opia na no ya fian umenwa oboye na ka we opa ino ifun ohun apa we no fian o ama we no dai sagen ege sagen na no yoto Funda esagin amagun yebe we o da esagin na de Sherlock mu pia me o mo bere ifu man je fia funda me obo yan kai adario o ma ifu ni na agwaligori no ha gege ayi fia ifu ba fia ifu o kan da sage o kan gbe o kan wuyo na yun kyo o ti atewi no awe no yan o feko no ya atewi no setin wu no ya atewi no setin wu o ti anyanya o feko e ya anyanya atewi no ya setin ze no ya tin hai Il a mieux qu'un. Et donc, bon, on a des noms suivants à regarder. Je pense que nous avons eu un peu de ni ete we ni ha ibeleku o ma igbai e do ki o don we salo boss mi vie no dagbeda mu we don fe ko o to na re we yin na salo bo ye o ye ni vie ya agbo yo sa kweku e ibeleku ri agbon wa ogi so pe go ayi go go ba o eniyan owe mai unda e pe wo ati yen eniyan na we mai we na he ni la idogelela e pe wo ogele na ego ayi go ku ibadi ma ta se na edo akuyo waja no re nwa ihonu waji ere yuware na kata agwale na ya ri yubo na edo mene bishop agawa emwe oguga me gbowedo na we oguga me na me ho na ya ri yubo ni bi edo no gwale yubo e wana me enwe na e wana se na kidodo na we ya ri yubo ni ya me enwe na ai ma ya ni na ya me enwe na ebi ke bi no ma ho don we ai ya ma ai mai hasa yo ma ne so si ma bi hasa yo don ya wo o ya we ni okay wife o ade ebi na ya win na ebi na no we ni mai do mai vio na ebi eva e ma kai ma o ma na me win na o na ki no do o ade no do o e me na ado e ki ni he o ade no do o e na win na ni he o be we na ebi na ya win na ni mai do vio na o gbe so ebi na ya do ki na do ni mai do vio na ere ai be we ni se ere ai be we ni se ere ai be we ni se edo na wa no mai pe gbe na obi so si mapa na ore do o be na be do ona we e ba ke ma no ho no we ni ati vulcanizer wa ni dole itaya yi no de ni e ma e ye ki na ma ma e asa owo he na wa mai o ba ke ma no ho no we gbedin a e wa no semi a wi le me no semi no gbegwe no de na mai ogo he e ba ke ma no ho no we imoto da dolo yi na te diesel engine so don de na mai ogo he edo ekeda do sa ekeda do na ma o wa vie do re vie do ne kwa vie do ne ku na ma ya mi all of us ebi ke bi na ma ho no we ba aga iwo ebe ebi ke bi na ya win na ya gbe kini ma ne so si ma no redo ma yi do le mi ni ai vio no mani yi wa ati we ati so do bua no dazi ma ga we ma ka be we na okpo uki no gi hiyan gbede yin na jubo no gbera na ma we be do ari mama emi ari ni ma we je mi we e de Ega mi o matamo tun ega mi o matamo ruan ega mi o matamo sewe wa ya ta mi ya fe we ni ara de ma ya mi ya ara de do ba na mi ma he edo ba be don ai ti ogana ogyo he no kwa omo amadasu ati eboku na o ka mo wa ke no na do ba ya be uselu ke so si ma yi uselu abi o wa ni aka Aga gbon yeto. Na bai. If you again na o be gbon ki me we di an me be kida ya uri o wan re. A sa yo e ri go no wa ko ma. Eri na wata na ya be I ko bu we ro. Wa mi an wo don ri go re o do ta ba No camera kawani. Jesus my way being radio. My way no my ba. My way you call. My way but I'm just reminding us that Bishop Agawa ministry is training people, those who have no job, those who have no work, those who have no trade. We are training people. Look at it. To be whatever they want to be. We train people vocationally, and then we endow them. Look at it. Bishop Ayawa Ministry. You can donate for it if you want to. If you cannot, well, we cry unto God to give us money to do it. Yes. After we have trained them, people who have no work, unemployed, train them in whatever they want to be. After that, we will endow them. Endow them means we will buy all the things they need, whatever they need to start their business, to start their trade, to carry on with their lives. We will give them whatever it is. We have done it before. On July 24 this year, we did it in Beniti. There were 9 people that we trained and we endowed them. Here is another opportunity now. You may carry this news. Write it down. If anybody, any young man or woman want to learn vulcanizing, we have a place for him or her to learn. Doesn't have to pay anything. We have a businessman in our church who will train the person in vulcanizing. The same thing with welding. Anybody want to learn welding? Go and learn welding. And then anybody want to learn diesel engine mechanics? Go and learn diesel engine mechanics for free. You won't pay a penny. All of us, all of our people who want to learn anything, go to our church and we will train you. And after we train you, we will give you the equipment to learn. After this, nobody should talk about being unemployed, no work, no employed. We shut up your mouth and look at it now. Use your opportunity. Whether you have been to university, whether you have been to college of education, whether you have been to polytechnic, whether you have been to trade school, whether you're a high school diploma, whether you're a primary school diploma, look, the opportunity is at your door. And stop talking about unemployment. Go and meet Reverend Dr. Omo Amadasun. Look at his telephone number. Write it down. Reverend Dr. Omo Amadasun. This is a phone number. Go and meet him and tell him that I told you on this program to come. Anybody. And after you do that, please, you take the same message to me on this program so that I can know you send somebody to Dr. Amadasun. On December 18, we are going to do an endowment ceremony. All people that we have trained between July and December 18, we will endow them with whatever they need to do the job they learned. You hear this? Do you hear this? I'm asking you. Do you hear this? Do you hear this? Nobody should talk about unemployment anymore because his opportunity open for all. Write this down. Take a picture of it. And if you send somebody, send the name to me. Pray for us. Make a donation if you can. Write us some letters of commendation if you can. If you do not, it's okay. We are doing God's work. Don't stand on our way. Don't make it impossible. Because this is God's business. But that's only man. Whatever you go to have your area doa. You have Dr. Amadasun or Musarubwa. Joanna, Ibeleku, Erekinoye. Nakoko Yobo Nendo. Nendo Guapa. If you have a guapa, you have a guapa. I don't know. If you are double guapa, then I win. no manje zukufu no ehia wahade na ma wa wina na vie mi no ya wona na vie mi no ya doki eto no na gbe owo no we eto na me ho no we e ka da fia wo no fia ogbo na gbe gile no ebi ke no di gaki no ru wo fion ade ni a edo ka ru ma ho even so we don't have to say we don't want to be attached we don't have go get say even say we here mama o do ran nu yata we are not dey you don't hear it mama you dey can that on mama o honi awo edo wa viabore na maya winner of viabore na maya winner na maya kinado even na your bow Kenon ye university ke no man yo wa ya ade. Igbovuero aka owo mawo u fe ko ogu saloba na yo. Ogu saloba na yo. To amanima ise no nya won salobua. You na won man we na o. Have your boy ye o wede. Eki ma we le gbebo. La ho fi agbe ni ma ko wa ke wude. Ibi edo ba ma ri yo bona. La re ge de gbeba. Yendo mawo mama enwina la we get gbeba ge mo hun ota wewe ota ni yeke ofo igbovo no riabo la bie ya yodere e ma ni mwekia bie ya yodere be ni Jesus Christ gi mami adogba no gi unana mi adogba no iyo boda ma ho na ri na do ge mo hun ge mi adogba no salobwa no lodwa be ni Jesus Christ be ni Jesus Christ be ni Jesus Christ do mi salobwa is ala ko mo kan aro wo kan ma no Jesu no do we tomo no do we ma Jesu Christ do we salobo is ko ba wa no re do ga to ipe kete e ga ma ga ma o yo pe un duki o ba ilo bo efo o ba to pe o is o be ki de Wednesday e do no kwa no de na wa ari uga me wa ya go salobo nya we de o yo nya wina nya de o yo nya wina it's not at All Saints Christian Assembly Oruselu where at Uhuru no over here at Igwe All Saints Christian Assembly Eboba America ma ke mu egbo so ba don ge mani ma so she no en egbe no ebo we ya deba David no ma yo we David na maja we do deba na koko we mi no ba igigo ma eso si no me wa ho e ba so wa te igigo ya no na igigo ya no abo he anago dago adenia mama yin nego ima ya ri go nu we adenia mama no we go ima ya ri yo bonu we ari yo bonu we ari yo bonu we ari yo bonu twen ari yo bonu ruan ari yo bonu be we ari yo bonu bi otu we ari yo bonu 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 we adena ri yo bonu we adena ri yo bonu we do my honya adena ri yo bonu we ari eso si ma Ruselu ori yeke egwada kenwa What's about where you go? Oh, when no, or twin no, or say when no go. The time that's one me away. Man, get by me. In Baba, who am I ask you cook with an Miami? My wife get me go no, my wife get me came no. Oh, my man, I'm a Miami. My we go there. My Jimmy, eh? Oh, you don't want to carry where you, your mamma, your man. Oh, one year or more, every young buy. Aka mama mi na ngo gele we mi ni we mi lo pa abi mi nu u ka wo e na de we ka we mechanic ade ni ma de ge u gele ka wo e de we ka gbe to ade ni ma de ge u go agbe to iya afi meme we ria o afi e we ria ohun na emi ya ohun ba e iye me ka ba me we mi ya bo ba e o be na we na we ma wonu lana ama wonu asa o awenu enwina du ma we ayege mu gonu ba mi gonu wa pa emi na ya we wina ai ma fi odo ma de ki ado enu aya do kini ai ma wono ma agbada no ya fi ka ni de to na meno e pele beno ya meto ni eni ma zola avion no agba awa agbon be yin so e na we yoko wa e deze o ima ta me yunu gwa o am mani manedo wa ya we ise even so we are holding a bit you go your bad ni mauna so ba fiangbe wa video so ba fiangbe wa video me ye photo ye yoku wan me ye photo the Bishop Stephen Agahowa ministry investing in human lives investing in human lives. No, no, the yoboyo. Why are the yoboyo here? Okay. Bishop Stephen Agahowa Ministry website. They put a website. Go ahead. You wanna allow. Donate. You can only go ye or river. You can only go ye or river. Okay. A bank account. Como eu deboia mamãe, a digo eu. Eu não é digo não mais a ver, mas é melhor de amar, é que do ede. É porque me ya soan, é que não nupo. É porque me ri eu na soan. No, me photo. No o no de yo, o ipen gbo de o ipen pa na we de yo. No ya tonton re. Ni ma unu ebe bukise no gbera it cost us about $5,000. No ya di yobo na ri yin. Ogbera we de o na ya Miami ma ko ni ba na ya dele madagwa. Ika ebe di hela di amana no ya aga ebe na hule na mai mama ke no agbon la di amana. U ya aga u dega ebe na u Emano fieka avie vini agbada kemiya. Emano etodame avie vini ya. Emano fien eka ore chichinya te chinchin e chichin ne beka eni. Emana yawe ma vie eni ya. Ena vie oyi na sayegbe. Oyi na sayegbe na nwuhi. No nwuhi na sayegbe ave vie eni ya. Iya. Why would it tie? There one what I don't know, we don't tear a wokum. No, with your gun in the Kaiban. Dr. Mandasu. My not to my. It's not to a bow. It's not to a bow. Do you do my do the winter? Do my different no my year. Oh, baby. I dear one. Why me a kid man? Okay, even a boom where here, they can just man you do. When I tie, now the boom making now, can just man you do. When you say now, the say, I have more like the other way. All Saints Christian Assembly, or you 20 years of sin. But Timba. Or Siluba, Yeka Guadakan. Ale ki oselu kino wala de so o deni awala wale gbe lawa ekene secretariat ugbo ego wale ya ni wale ke ni anse olupo don ri yeke abala o wa me so sini o wa kaka na do ma ebe ke na do ma mo to na ma mi go ya do to ma mi go ya bo de do di go yo no di yo be di e na ta na e so si ma o we do ya na di yo bodo wa na gboro ma ma ti e be so si o wa kaka ma na e do palo wa me ke na gbebu wa amu somebody yo ofun egbe number 4 ofun egbe street. Number 4 of Wembley Street, behind Benson Street, the Guadaken. number 4 of Mugbe Street, behind Omobensi, off Omobensi, the Guadakin. Mama is setting Besosi. There one on my go on all the yo boy, you Besosi, Bonima. Mama is a daughter. And we know Salabana when I'm going to you born, if you Salobua, Okoda, one memorda. You go get it, me, yo. Oh, Salabano, oh, Salabano. Oh, Salabano. If we don't have Mangunana, oh, Salabama way. Oh, that can be there. Nobody pay yeha. Nigga came when you know Salabana. This is my 56 years in the gospel ministry. Ik ben zijn hoekje, ja, zo, hè. En ik denk hier bij de school, ik kan het lie, of we when you hè. Do I the boy, Salaba, if you are Mamma mio tona, am I better to do for the abyss of ye? Am I with I am boy? And though you are having it, no, how do you boy would not hear you? Though an almost man, you would have motor the man, my abyss of ye. No, go my boy, business in the arrow, we don't go my business you are all. No, will go my boy. Eh, man, mum, you go, Magualo. Even Mamma dollar, me. Mamma, how do you bona, Magualo? Why is so see by me? Whether I'm coming, I'm where I just put to. Ego no answer, but she could remain high. Yes, sir. The money gave us in the resources. I can't buy a suzuku. A just Salabadazi. I think Jesus Christ that come away. But Bona, I he married not to you, but I won't. You know, Salabana, my ye call yet Yahweh. O Salabaka pass your name. Or a Tomu, or a one. Baby Jesus Christ is they were now in Mudaya West Side, but Salabab here and you when it's Jesus Christ. The door already done you. Baby is a donor, I was over, I was social door. Oh, it's on the man now, Ususe. There. I thank all of you who came to do. Those of you who don't understand the Do language, I thank you for coming. I have shown you many things. I have shown you that we are not for play. We are trying to train people in different vocations. If you have people who can learn vulcanizing and welding and diesel engine mechanics, bring them to us. We will train them for free. And others mean any kind of job. And there's an NGO in Benin that can train people in anything they want to train in, whether in farming or in bakery or in hairdressing or in barbing or in confectionery, whatever. We, our church, will pay for that training. I repeat, if you are not heard, let me say it again. If you bring people who are jobless, who are unemployed, to us, and they are willing to learn anything, we will send them to the training, and we will pay for it, for the training. We have done it before, and we are still doing it, and we will continue to do it. In the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I hear that people complain that when they go to church, they're asking for money. They're asking for money. Okay. Now, we are not asking you for money. We are asking you to come that we may give you help. We may give you help. We may help you. Bring your brother or sister or friend or neighbor or colleague. Whether you are a university graduate, whether you are a high school graduate, whether you are a college of education graduate, whether you are a polytechnic graduate, whether you are a primary school graduate, come and tell us what you want to learn. So we send you to the NGO to train you in what you want to learn. You want to learn farming or hairdressing or carpentry or baking or whatever. We will send you. You won't pay for it. We will pay for it. After we have trained you, on December 18, we want to gather all the people we have trained and we want to endow them with whatever they need to do the business that they have trained for. We will buy it and give to them. We will spend our money. All these tax and offering we are collecting. Start an offering we are collecting. The one we are collecting in America here, we'll go and join it to the one they are collecting in Benin and use them to buy the things that you need to start your personal business for you. We are not asking you to pay back. We are not asking you to pay back. Let me say it again. We will use it to buy things and give you for your own life. Go and start your business. Go and start your trade. We are not asking you to bring the money back. It's between you and God. If you utilize it, it's between you and God. We are talking in the name of God, the God of heaven. If anybody asks you to bring money, don't listen. Nobody will even ask you to bring money anyway. All these things, how do we connect? You connect by going to meet. Go and meet Reverend Dr. Omo Amadasun. Look at him. Take a picture of it. Reverend Dr. Omo Amadasun. He's getting old. He's a man of God. Yes. Look at his telephone number. Call him. He will tell you where to come, where the church is. Call him. You have 5 pastors. They will tell you where the church is. There's a small church in Uselu, Benin City. There's a small church in Uhuron. It's a village. Not too far from Benin, Use. Uhuron. There's a new one starting in Igwikpe, very close to Use. Get in touch with Reverend Dr. Amadasun. Anybody you send to him, send his name to me, so I will know we are working together. This is an opportunity. Don't let the opportunity go by. Train somebody, whether it's your relative or your co-worker child, or it doesn't matter. It's God's own people. I hear people complaining that the all churches, they're always asking for money. They're always collecting our money. They're always getting for money. And the reverend, the pastors, they are using the money. They're buying cars. They're building houses. Okay. That is for you. Today, we are telling you, you come to this church, All Saints Christian Assembly International. We will train you. We will give you money. We'll give you equipment. We won't give you money. We'll give you the equipment you need to start your life. If you don't go training, if you don't pass through any training we send you to, we won't give you any equipment. Don't go and lie and tell a lie and say they didn't give you anything. If you don't go through the training, we will not give you any equipment. It's either or. Don't change my words. You are all welcome. I thank you all for coming today. All the people are invited. I can see we have 14 people on the screen. Thank God. God bless you. Anyone want to help us, you are free to join. You are free to help us. You are free to help us. We have a website. Go to the website and you will see us there and donate. We have a website. I don't have a bank account number to give you, but we have a website. Look at it. Bishop Stephen Agawa Ministry. Look at the website. Look at it. Take a picture of it. Take a picture of it. And go to that website and donate. There's a mechanism for donating there. The money will not come to me. It will go to that account. If you want to help us in any way, we don't have a land to build our church yet. We have not built a church yet. If you have land to give to us, donate. And we will accept it and we will thank God for you. If you want to build a church for us and want to help to build a church, donate. If you want to donate 100 blocks or 1,000 blocks, do so to do God's work on this earth. This is the time. You and I, we are co-laborers together with God. Here is a man of God now who wants to work for God. Stop complaining about churches. Stop complaining about pastors. Stop complaining about pastors. Stop talking about pastors. Stop talking about pastors. Here is something now that you can do. We are not asking you for anything. We are telling you we will do. A church will do this for you. A church will train you. A church will endow you. A church will empower you. A church will train you. A church will help you. Now, this is the time for the church to help you. Stop talking about church collecting money. Stop. We are willing to help. The church is willing to help you now. You come, bring the children, Edo people, bring your children so that we can train them. I want to be saying this thing every day. I've said it before, I'll say it again today, not every day, because I'm tired of begging people. Pastor, Agman you talk about. In Taiwan, pastor, Agman you take away. Giving the pastor, I would now. I wouldn't wear it, and I'm not wearing, not my 20, not my wearing, not you would, and I give me there. There you go. I give no young and there. They come in half yan, a can in Agbada and Africa. Na ya na lo na Africa. Ofiubon, na Africa. Ekuye na Africa. Umogu na ya ro. I delay have you then. I never na wo yo. Oh man. Ogele man. Ama we do asa ere. Ama we do asa ere. Edo. Wa hamani tana. Bena ta ya wa sabo o seni ma ni Jesus Christ. Isa. Ba we ado wa babado. Ba we yedo. Ba we no kwado. Yo ba no kwado wa we tendo. Ba we bodo. Ba we bodo, wa we bodo. Ba we kin de Wednesday. Ba we kin wa de yo ma we bagade. Ki ma buyo na de yima. Tadi ye ara atakia. Vovo baragbe. Wajako kuna kugbe. Na te o mamu. Mama e bie bo we bia fe ya. What's he doing good dey bie do? What's he doing the good dey bie do? Was can one bana ku dey bie do. Ibie bo be bere bani. Wala re na koko dole do yi. I wish I igbe yan ribe tayo dole do yi. Ibe tayo ebe do nigbe ebe tayo wagado koko dole do yi. Akoko dole do yi. Du ma emi yagba lo do nge yi babo wasu ye benigbe wasu. Na matagwana na ta ya wasu ega ibe we bi se so ba no get money ma se yeti de wa ya don re wa bungbe o yo salobo Bella TV we say Antonia Taniyen Arigbe we say Festus Osaro we say yo Queen Beatrice Akenowa we say who you are me Obiasoge Kingsley who you are me. Who you are me. I mean, not only affair ya with me. Antonia Taniyen who you are me. If you do what we say. Oh, Bella Page, who am I? Okay, who am I? Bon. Oh, who you are me? So about before one row. Bella. Who you? So the madam, yeah, what's over here? Yeah, if you go with you, if you go with you, who's not dinner? Yeah, my lad, now we had the yeah, we go get up by your show now. Yeah, my lad, now the Kuyo, Justin Charles, Kuyo, Yemen, and Obukian, Kuyo, retired ability, who you are me. Leo Hillside 7 Kuyo, Archbishop Beckett, remember Yonika. Junior Daniel Abokian Kuyo. Patience Pat. Any me watana we so man can do. Do not know. Patience Pat. edone de ewumiani osisa eri agwa gene de o dogo gbona edone de no Antonia Adigbe ana fi osaze ohonba koyo lórí yamu we beku wa ma wa gbon Junior Daniel beku Constance Yawo beku yo wa no Joel Luther ima edege wede o Joel Luther wa ma wa gbon Richard Abulele Christian Igbinaduwa koyo Christian Igbinaduwa obokian na were na lagare ari ari Igbinaduwa eno mangit obokian wera biye eno mangit obokian Joel Luther obokian Dambulele wo kare obokian ede Wednesday uyu wa amio afshemwe wa amio egerun wa mu waya de nado ya gbebu no we do we tontonre salobo ari no ro no wa se we ni Jesus Christ do we salobo se e man mana ya fe wa ma wa gbe se ekena na we ina na be na gbin na wa we ma do abe dion wa abe de no re do wa we ma ya ki wa be ti ma ya fe ge Awe a telephone lao awe la mama awe computer lao my daughter on pa o you keep watching these things and show it to people. They use this to enter and watch anything you want to watch. If we have my yawe na unyagbo my eva say yeha na ya nya eyisen eva ya nya wi na ewu ba. We have about 260 videos in this place. About 260 videos in this place. Go and watch it. You don't pay anything to watch it. Please go and be watching it. Show it to people to be watching it. Whether you are driving or you are at home, you are eating, or go and be watching it. If you are in a meeting before the meeting starts, watch some. After the meeting, watch more. They are very interesting. They but I do. We do. But why going to why here Matthew what you have why are gay? Are you go gay? Why be moto gay? Why do why gay? Why live by gay? Why do go at a swing go who gay? I can get gay. I will do for that. Why you begin okay? Well, I will be gay. Why give my own in a qua? So the boy give my own a qua. So the boy give my own a qua. So the boy give my own qua. It's Christian Igbinaduwa memi no gbare o Salobo Adebawe ebi ya wa we ma we dian uyo Salobo do dan re na igogo yo o ke de Wednesday ma we ade ma do we wo ba yo ga me wa ibude o Salobo o we ya do faguwa ya ro edu anu ko wa ri ga me wa ya go Salobo Oben ya do awe photo da ma yo bobe amu eye photo wa amu ma ebi wa ke betun wa oge do no Salobo Adebawa akende ya bye bye